Meaning of lather.
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 Lather. The word lather can have different meanings depending on the context. One meaning of lather is a frothy white foam that forms on the face or body when soap or shaving cream is applied and mixed with water. For example, one might say, "I worked up a good lather while shaving this morning." Another meaning of lather is to work up or generate that frothy white foam by vigorously rubbing soap or shaving cream with water. For example, one might say, "I need to lather up before I start shaving." Lather can also be used figuratively to describe being in a state of intense excitement, agitation, or anxiety. For example, one might say, "I was all in a lather about the upcoming job interview."